Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel and today we'll learn about how we can create a monorepo. So basically monorepo is nothing. It's a one repository containing that contains all the microservices including your Docker support as well. So in this video I will tell you about how we can create a monorepo with multiple microservices under one solution. So in this, you have one solution file. Under this, we have multiple microservices that can deploy it individually, but you can work as a in one repo. So in one repository, you can perform all the operations in all the microservices and commit your code as a single solution. Let's jump into this, and what we're gonna do here, let's open the Visual Studio. First of all, create one folder, and inside it you can open the Visual Studio. Once you open that, click on Solution Explorer, right click on your project structure folder or your folder name, and click on Add, and look for new project. If you're not able to see this, so go to your files under Visual Studio and click on New and then Project. And inside the project you will see the blank solution. If you are not able to find that, then search for it, blank solution, click on it, click on next, give the name. For example, I'm giving Monorepo. After that, select the path location. I have already created a folder structure here, so I'm directly jumping into that, and inside that folder structure select the folder and then create it. What it will do, it will create a solution file for you, and inside that you can create your folder structure. For example, I'm creating under source folder where every microservice is located. So I've created a new folder, named it source, and then I'm creating the services. So for services, I'm giving the name as services. And inside services, you can create a number of your items. For example, I'm creating API 1 microservice, then new project, web API. So while creating a microservices inside your folder structure, one thing you need to take care of while selecting the location where your project is located. So see here it is located in project structure api.monorepo/api1. So we need to update the reference. So inside Monorepo, we have a folder named source and then services and then API1. Now it looks good. Just update the reference, location reference, and then click on next and then create. So your folder structure is ready, but still we need to make one more change to achieve it as monorepo. So once done, rebuild your solution and then close it. Open the folder structure that you have created. So see, you have a folder structure name API monorepo and a source and then solution here. But we need a solution inside the source to work as a monorepo. It is also working. If you open that, you can see all the services. as a solution source. But for one more level of hierarchy, I can just move this to source folder. So what it will do, it will still the output is same. So it will not open because we have updated the solution file. So we need to make one more change, edit it. So inside this, it is mentioned here, it is under source, but it is not under source, it is under services. Just update this. Then click on solutions. So now you can see we have a folder structure ready. We have a source, services, and then API on microservices. Now we can create more as well. Select the source. Now, if you're selecting the source, you can simply select the folder name where you put your services. So it is inside services folder. Select the folder and then click on next and then click on create. Now you no need to update the solution file as well. It is generated. If you rebuild your solution and just for the for checking purpose, if you check out our solution, then you can see it is generated with services. And you can delete this back file. If you see the folder structure, we have a monorepo, and inside monorepo we have a source folder. Source folder we have services and other Docker files, test files, and other related stuff. You can store it here. And we have a solution. Click on solution. Then you can see all your services under one folder. We have a multiple microservices which will deploy it separately and on the server, but you can work as a one monorepo. So it is called as a monorepo. You can run individually. For example, if you want to run the API one, then right click on it and set as start a project. Then click on run. See, you can see the output. You can make your API to work with Swagger, update your logic, and you can work with Swagger as well. That is all. Thank you.